Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another important topic, that is article of association in the formation of company. The article of association contain rule and regulation regarding the management of a company internal affair. It defines the power, duties, right of manager, of officer, and the board of directors. Generally, all the company prepare their own article of association. In case company do not want to prepare their own article of association, then they can select any one article of association given table F of the Company Act. In Table F, the Company Act 99 model of acts gets sets of article of association are given. Company can select any one from these 99 set. The article of association must be signed by all the director of a company. It means duty daily attested by the two veterans. Article of association is also known as the bylaw of a company or doctrine of indoor management. The content of article is divided into the paragraph of our number. The main content of article of association, the amount of share capital and different class of share, right of each type of shareholder, procedure making allotment of share, procedure receiving share certificate, procedure for transfer of share, procedure for fortune for feature of share, for procedure for reissue of forfeited share, procedure of conducting meeting, procedure for appointment and removal of director, duties and power, remuneration of director, procedure for declaration payment of dividend, and procedure regarding valuing of the company, procedure regarding keeping the book of account and their audit, and seal of the company. Article means the article of association. Company are generally famed as per also letters from the time to time appeal in precedence of any previous company law of this act. Alteration of the article of associations. Company may be changed the article of association passing special resolution subject to the following condition. Alteration where must do not contribute or against the provision of memorandum of association and the company. It must not result in a breach of contract with the outsider. It must be in the interest of the company. It must not result in the increasing the liability of its member. If the alteration involves conversion of public company into private company, the approval of central government must be obtained. And what is the difference between memorandum of association and article of association? Memorandum of association on the nature is a charter of a or constitution of the company, whereas article of association act refer to bylaw of a company, smooth internal management of the company. And scope, it defines the objective of the power of the company, and article of it contain the rule and regulation by carrying on the day-to-day operations. The status is a fundamental document of a company and supersede the article. It is a supplement document of a company. Legal effect, act done beyond the scope of the memorandum are wide. Act done beyond the article can be rectified by the shareholders. Relationship, it defines the relationship of the company with the outsider world. It defines the internal relationship between the company and its member. Alteration, the alteration moment of association difficult, a lengthy process. The approval of government necessary for alteration in the article of association and easy and simple process. The approval of the government is not necessary. Then what is prospect? Public limited company limited by share must issue the prospect if want to make an appeal to the public to subscribe its share or debenture. According to the Company Act 1956, prospect is any document include notice, circular, advertisement, and other that invite deposit and offer from public for the subscription purchase of any share debenture of a body corporate.